Hello there, it's Sarah. Have you ever pondered what younger women notice first about high-value older men? Today, we're going to reveal those immediate traits and characteristics that stand out. These attributes are not just about physical appearance, but also about the demeanor, lifestyle, and emotional intelligence that truly define a high-value man. By the end of this video, you'll understand precisely what makes an older man captivating to younger women. Stick around for the bonus tip at the end. It's a crucial insight that perfectly complements the traits we've discussed, elevating your perspective to a whole new level. Don't miss it. 1. Confidence and composure. Let's jump into the first thing younger women notice about high-value older men: their confidence and composure. What makes these traits so immediately noticeable? Confidence in an older man isn't just about walking into a room with your head held high. It's about the aura you emit. This self-assurance is often communicated through body language, a steady gaze, a firm handshake, and an ease in various situations. Composure, too, plays a vital role. This kind of poise is attractive because it suggests a man who has seen much and learned how to handle life's ups and downs gracefully. It's not about never facing difficulties. It's about handling them with a level head. This combination of confidence and composure is particularly appealing to younger women because it creates a sense of security and stability. It's not brash bravado, but a quiet, self-assured strength that speaks volumes. It shows that the man is comfortable in his own skin and has a mature perspective on life. Remember, genuine confidence is key. It's not about pretending to be someone you're not, but embracing who you are and your journey. This authenticity is what truly resonates and makes a high-value older man stand out in the eyes of younger women. 2. Maturity and wisdom. Now, let's talk about maturity and wisdom, crucial traits that younger women instantly notice in high-value older men. Why are these characteristics so appealing? Maturity is not just about age. It's about the experiences and lessons life has taught you. It's reflected in how you handle situations, interact with others, and view the world around you. Wisdom, on the other hand, is the ability to use your life experiences to make informed decisions. It's about having a deeper understanding of life, which often comes with years of navigating various challenges. For younger women, this wisdom is not just attractive, it's captivating. It suggests a depth of knowledge and a perspective that can only be gained through experience. This combination of maturity and wisdom is particularly appealing because it implies a sense of security and reliability. A high-value older man who exhibits these traits is seen as a stable, knowledgeable, and understanding individual. He's someone who can offer insights, share meaningful advice, and approach life with a balanced viewpoint. 3. Financial stability and independence. Let's shift our focus to financial stability and independence, another key attribute younger women notice in high-value older men. Why does this aspect matter so much? Financial stability is not about flaunting wealth or material possessions. It's about the sense of security and responsibility it represents. An older man who is financially stable and independent is seen as someone who has worked hard to establish himself. This is attractive because it suggests a level of success and the ability to manage life effectively. It's not just about having money, but about the wisdom in handling financial matters, making sound investments, and planning for the future. This financial acumen is appealing to younger women as it indicates a man who is not only capable of taking care of himself, but also of making wise decisions for the long term. It's about the reassurance that comes from knowing you're with someone who's grounded and secure in their financial standing. Remember, this isn't about being rich. It's about being smart with what you have, showing that you're responsible, and understanding the value of financial independence. This level of stability and foresight is a mark of maturity that many younger women find incredibly attractive in an older man. I hope you're finding these insights intriguing. If so, why not show your support? A quick like, a comment, or subscribing can really make a difference. Your thoughts and feedback shape our content, so please share your views in the comments. Thank you for being a valuable part of this adventure. 4. Sophisticated style and grooming. Now, let's discuss something that might seem superficial, but is incredibly telling. Sophisticated style and grooming in high-value older men. Why do these elements catch a younger woman's eye? It's not about expensive clothing or the latest fashion trends. It's about the self-respect and attention to detail that a well-groomed appearance conveys. A high-value older man with a sophisticated style exudes confidence and self-assurance. It's about choosing clothing and accessories that are age-appropriate, fit well, and reflect a sense of personal style. This care in appearance suggests that the man values himself and takes pride in presenting his best self to the world. Grooming is equally important. It's not just about being clean-shaven or having a trendy haircut. It's about maintaining an overall neat and tidy appearance. This includes taking care of your skin, hair, and overall hygiene. It signals to younger women that this man is conscientious about his health and appearance. This sophisticated style and grooming are appealing because they speak to a level of sophistication and worldliness. It shows that the man is in tune with himself and his environment, and pays attention to the finer things in life. It's a subtle yet powerful way of demonstrating high value that doesn't go unnoticed by younger women. 5. Emotional intelligence and empathy. Let's turn our attention to emotional intelligence and empathy, significant qualities that younger women instantly notice in high-value older men. Why are these traits so critical? Emotional intelligence is the ability to understand and manage your own emotions, as well as recognize and influence the emotions of others. Empathy, closely related, is the capacity to put yourself in someone else's shoes and truly understand their feelings and perspectives. For a younger woman, an older man who exhibits emotional intelligence and empathy is incredibly attractive. This combination suggests a man who is not only aware of his own feelings and how to handle them, but also sensitive to the needs and emotions of others. It's about being a good listener, showing genuine concern, and being able to connect on a deeper emotional level. These traits are appealing because they indicate a man who has developed a mature, thoughtful approach to life. He's likely to be more understanding, communicative, and supportive in a relationship. It's not just about having experienced life. It's about having learned from those experiences and using that knowledge to foster meaningful connections. Emotional intelligence and empathy are not just nice-to-have qualities. They are essential attributes that speak to the character of a high-value older man. They show that he is not just emotionally aware, but also capable of providing emotional support, making him an incredibly appealing partner to younger women. 6. Health and fitness consciousness. Now, let's discuss health and fitness consciousness, a key aspect younger women notice in high-value older men. Why is this so important? It's not just about looking good or being able to run a marathon. It's about the message it sends regarding self-care and vitality. When an older man pays attention to his health and fitness, it demonstrates a respect for his body and a commitment to staying active and healthy. This isn't about extreme workouts or being overly muscular. It's about maintaining a lifestyle that supports physical well-being. Whether it's regular exercise, a balanced diet, or simply staying active, these habits are a testament to a man's dedication to living his best life. This focus on health and fitness is attractive to younger women because it shows that the man values himself and his quality of life. It suggests that he's not just living for the moment, but is invested in his future. This foresight and discipline are qualities that speak volumes about a man's character. Moreover, a health-conscious older man is often seen as energetic and capable of keeping up with a dynamic lifestyle. It's not about competing with younger men, but about embracing a lifestyle that enhances vitality and longevity. This approach to health and fitness is a clear indication of a high-value man who takes pride in all aspects of his life. For our bonus point, let's highlight a truly captivating trait: a sense of adventure and openness to new experiences. Why does this matter so much? It's because this trait breaks the stereotype of older men being set in their ways. A high-value older man who shows a zest for life and a willingness to try new things is incredibly attractive. This sense of adventure can manifest in various ways. It might be a curiosity about different cultures, a love for travel, or an enthusiasm for new hobbies. It's about showing that age doesn't define your capacity for new experiences. This openness suggests a youthful spirit and a mindset that life is still full of possibilities to explore. Younger women find this trait appealing because it signals that the man is not just living in the past, but is actively engaged in the present and excited for the future. It shows that he's not just going through the motions, but is passionate about life and all the experiences it has to offer. An adventurous spirit paired with the wisdom of age is a powerful combination. It's about balancing the thrill of new experiences with the knowledge gained over the years. This balance is what makes an older man not just interesting, but truly irresistible to younger women. So now that you know what she instantly notices, what's next for you? Discover what younger women do when they think you're attractive, or learn the art of flirting with her. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more.